dehydrated the nails before you apply it on to give it a good prep. So I'm going to apply both nails in the gel base, Glitz iHold base gels. Cure each of them for about 10 seconds to get started. And this velvety gel is a perfect for all of you who love enhancements nails and your clients don't want to deal with odor. That's really odor lashes. Pretty much you don't smell anything. And it's so flexible and it's so durable. So I'm gonna using the same gel base and couple drop right here on my palette. So then we are going to use it to definitely is like sculpting your nails. It's exactly the same when you are, instead of using a monomers, you're using a base gel, so compatible with it own concept. So I'm using a nude colors. This is one of my favorite colors and it's really easy to go with. And we're not using it just a smaller amount. Keep in mind, it's really cool about velvety gels. You can absolutely add more or remove off as you prefer. If you feel like you need extra more, and you can add more if you need. Easy, take it easy, pay attention, babe. I don't need that one. I only have this. So make sure you close it. I just need the spatula for that one. Close that. You don't want to have it lay in there with no cap on, because you don't want it accidentally here. So I'm gonna saturate my brush with the base gels. And you can start seeing it's cell level. This is really cool about velvety gel. It's cell level to not the point that it just like it run everywhere. It's cell level is it enough that you can have plenty of time to able to sculpting your beads that you just apply it on. And whether you have a short nails or the long nails, it's going to be so much easier. So you can see that I didn't have to do it so much, just using my belly of the bristle and just kind of guide and keep it really flat, like a parallels with the nails, and then blend it down. You see how beautiful it is? With usually when you see me do liquid and powder, the acrylic, you gotta get certain time to get it set. And also it depends on, you know, the temperature, weathers. And with the velvety gel, you have all the time in the world. It will able to set level really well for you as well. However, it's like really flexible. It's not watery runny. You can see that, how beautiful it is. And then just a little bit extra, you can just remove it, pinch it from your brush. And I'm gonna just like turn it upside down for about a few seconds. Like a few seconds to get it's really salt level. So all of your velvety gels will be salt levels, and it's going right in centers and the C curve for the nails. Then that is the final looks that you can see how easy it is. And it's so nice and smooth. It's not even you are filing or anything yet. So this is perfect for beginner who start really love enhancement nails or long nails and really structures like strong nails as well. This is definitely is we're gonna do 60 seconds for that here, and then when we are here for 60 seconds, we are going to using alcohol, 90% alcohols, and then we just wipe off the residues, okay? And then we can start doing a crystal placement. So I'm going to move into the next nails when I'm waiting for the others, and I'm gonna show you how to do it's really simple, easy with the ombre using milky whites and nude colors. So let's get started with, and then